Everyone's saying R7 is a replacement for R6. Is that right? I don't think so. It's not R6 replacement, it's bigger version of MT-07 and it's R7. Replace R6 inline 4 to tin doesn't make sense. The most important thing is that this will be very reliable and priced so people can actually afford to buy one. You need more horsepower to be more fast? No, it's wrong. 99% of you complaining about the power output of the R7 couldn't even ride to its limit. I think it's a smart move by Yamaha. This bike should have no problem hanging with big boys in the twisties. At the track should be more really fun, but the straight line speed will be underwhelming for sure. The bodywork is slimmer than R3, so Yamaha says it's the most aerodynamic R series bike they have ever built. Looking at the cockpit, that is an LCD dash that is a white text on a black background. Would have been nice to see TFT, but they are keeping the cost down on this bike, so definitely understandable. This is the first CP2 bike from Yamaha to get an assistant slipper clutch. Throttle cables are direct connections to the throttle, so no ride-by-wire throttle. And that's the reason you don't have rider modes in this bike. There is a new seat design too. This is the same material and padding they have used in the R1. Look at the spec sheet of the R7 as well as the R6, and don't know why people keep assuming that this is the replacement for the R6. This is mostly likely called the R7 because of its relationship to the MT-07, which conforms to the Yamaha's naming system. In light of this, Yamaha is still making a track-only R6. Hopefully, this sheds some lights on this topic and people will see this bike as a sporty sibling to the MT-07 and not the successor to the R6. The R6 is a completely different bike, so the R7. Let me know that your questions are down in the comments below. I'll be sure to answer as many of those I can. Thank you for watching.